Could the outcome of the Lok Sabha elections redefine the trajectory of an entire nation? In India, where democracy pulsates with vibrant diversity and relentless debate, these elections not only determine the composition of the government, but also set the course for the country's future. The Lok Sabha, or the House of the People, is the lower house of India's bicameral parliament, playing a crucial role in shaping the nation's legislative landscape. Every 5 years, hundreds of millions cast their votes in an electoral marathon that spans the length and breadth of the country. In 2024, this grand democratic exercise commenced on April 19th and unfolded over 7 phases, concluding on June 1st. The election process, meticulously planned to accommodate nearly 970 million registered voters, is a logistical feat, ensuring that every citizen has a chance to participate in this democratic festivity. The results, eagerly awaited by many, are announced on June 4th. Throughout these 44 days, various issues such as unemployment, inflation, and socio-political agendas come under scrutiny, influencing the electorate's choice. The Bharatiya Janata Party, led by the incumbent Prime Minister Narendra Modi, competes for a continued mandate against a coalition of opposition parties spearheaded by the Indian National Congress. The significance of the Lok Sabha elections extends beyond the immediate political outcomes. They are a reflection of the democratic ethos of India, highlighting the nation's commitment to maintaining a system where governance is shaped by the will of its people. The elections also serve as a critical mechanism for addressing pressing national issues through the representative process. As the world watches, India demonstrates not just the scale of its elections, but the strength of its democracy. Every vote cast is a voice in the chorus of the largest democracy on earth, each one shaping the contours of India's path forward. In summary, the Lok Sabha elections are not merely about choosing a government, but are a reaffirmation of democratic values and a barometer for the nation's priorities and challenges. They encapsulate the spirit of democratic participation and reflect the collective aspirations of one of the most populous nations in the world.